It's a little cut? Okay. What about a journalist? Number 5. Number 5 and number 8? No, so different. Okay, which one is your number 9? E. Flavors. Why? Remember, flavor is not in the lab, the science lab. Mixing. What about the vet? Is it dangerous? Okay, interesting. What did you guys say is your least dangerous? Fashion designer as well. Okay. Right, interesting. Okay. So, okay. Right now, as you can see, we have different jobs, types of jobs, okay, and they all vary as to how dangerous they are, okay. This will also affect the kind of skills that you need to have to do these jobs, right? So, for example, do you think a police officer and a fashion designer need the same kind of qualities or personality or skills to do the work? Yes or no? No, definitely not. Okay. Maybe what difference do you think? Maybe 2 skills or 2 qualities do you think they need that are different? Okay, maybe their level of responsibility. Do you think they both need to be responsible? Yes. Yes, they do. Yes. Let's listen to our friend. If the fashion designer makes a mess, who's going to be unhappy? The customer, exactly. Alright? The police officer also has to be very responsible. What about being brave? Do you think a police officer can be scared? No. He has to be very brave. Do you think a fashion designer needs to be like super brave? No. Right? So as you can see, different kind of jobs require different skills and different, transferable skills. We'll learn more about that and qualities. Okay. Right. So that you're going to use from the one school when you transfer from DI to Vung. Okay, so it is transferable. It means you can use the book in DI and in Vung, right? So same thing with skills. It means the skills that you learn in one job, because we talked about jobs, you can also use in the next job. They are transferable. Okay, you understand? Does that make sense? Okay. Right, so now we're going to assess our own transferable skills. Okay? Now when we do self-assessment, we look at 2 very important things. What 2 important things do you need to understand to assess yourself? You need to know your strengths and your weaknesses. Yes, okay? Very important. What are strengths? The things that you are good at. You know that you do very well, right? And weaknesses are things that are it doesn't have to be bad, but maybe they're not your greatest strength. You need to improve. Yes, you need to improve those skills, okay? So it doesn't have to be very bad, but you just need to improve, okay? So we need to be able to recognize our strengths and our weaknesses, okay? So what if you're still building a building and it's not very stable? What can happen? What do we call like a very sudden falling? Starts with a C. Called? Collapse. Collapse, yes. Okay, the building can collapse. Alright? It can collapse. It's like a very, very dangerous falling. Like a sudden falling of the building, collapse. Okay. Which skills are common for the 3 jobs? Guys, take a guess. Yes, I like that one. Yes, you need to be brave, obviously, to deep sea dive or deep sea fish, and to be a firefighter. Huh? Yes, alright, so you need to be brave, you can't be scared and fearful. Do you think you need to be a slow person? Dragging your feet? No, maybe hardworking, fast, quick, agile. Brave, yes. Any other words? Smart? Yes, maybe? What about physically? You think you can be heavy, fat, and just wobbling around? No, you have to be quite not necessarily thin, but F. Fit, yes, you need to be quite physically fit, okay? And then what are the positive aspects? Number 4, positive aspects of doing the jobs. That's a very nice word. Positive aspects. Yes, okay. So aspects is not like respect. You guys say it's like respect? Oh, okay. Right. It's not like respect. It's like what part about the job makes it positive, right? So, for example, our friend says that we can gain respect from communities, right? Yes. Okay. What other positive aspects are they? They all have a very common, I guess. Okay, about helping. Yes, very much about helping people. Firefighters help people. Deep sea divers and fishers help as well, because they're the ones who go and get all our fish that we eat. Yes. Yes, forest birds as well. Okay. So they help people. What else? Any other positive aspects you can think of? We're very shy too. What's happening with this side of the classroom? You guys here? Okay, so we're going to watch the video. Alright. Weather conditions already bad. Okay, the net accidentally rips. Yes. Okay. Yes, the lobsters ran away. They need to figure out how are they going to catch them back again. So can you see there's a lot of problems that can possibly arise, you're right? Any other skills? Mathematical, IT skills? No. Why? Okay, nice. Okay, it's a physical job. So which skill of the ones that are told in the passage do you think would probably be one of the most important ones? Dexterity, yes. Being able to work with your hands. Okay. What about the interpersonal skills? What does interpersonal mean? When we talk about interpersonal skills, what do we mean? Break down the word. Inter, what does inter mean? Inside? No. Yes, okay. For example, we always hear of like inter-countries, right? Or inter-nations, okay? That's when different countries work together. So interpersonal means, just basically means 2 or 3 or more people working together. Personal skills that you use to work together. Like teamwork. Teamwork, like leadership, the most important as well. Communication, yes. Okay, being able to communicate well. Do you think you can have good communication skills maybe with a team of colleagues? Do you remember that word, colleagues? Yes. Let's say you go and work in America or England, or you study in Germany or something, and now you are in a class or in a job with people who speak different languages. This one speaks Chinese, that one speaks German, Vietnamese, Japanese. Do you think you can have? Do you think you can still have good communication skills? Interpersonal. What can they use?
Body language.
Every day using body language. Okay, yes, that is another way of communicating using your body. Google Translate. Yes. Or being smart. Dictionary. Imagine every day you go to work. Dictionary. Smart dictionary. Yes. Okay, I guess that's why we're all learning English, right? So we can be able to communicate. But you can still have good communication skills, learn other people's culture and the way that they do things so you can understand them better, right? Because I always say communication goes well with understanding. When you understand someone else, you're able to communicate better. Yeah? To understand someone, you have to speak their language? Debate for another day. I'm not sure. Okay, right, any other skills? Very good. Is this to Jerry? Okay, good. Mathematical, IT, communication skills, and your weaknesses, things to improve.
Leadership, teamwork, and responsibility.
Leadership, teamwork, and responsibility. Thank you. Right, anyone else? Actually, no, responsibility. Anyone else, guys? Are you okay today? You're not talking a lot. Are you okay? Good at what? Inquiry, okay, yes. Okay, yes, okay. Problem solving, inquiry, problem solving. Okay. Responsible, okay, that's good. And one weakness, just your one weakness. Communication. Okay. I wouldn't think so. You seem to be quite good at it. Okay. Alright. That's surprising. I think you're quite good at expressing yourself. Okay. Alright, thank you very much for sharing. Thank you. Anyone else?
Mine's good.
Confident. Okay.
Communication skills.
Communication skills.
And leadership.
Leadership. Nice. Okay. And maybe one business. Instructions. You're not good at taking instructions or giving instructions. Giving? You can't give instructions. Okay. Alright. That's a very important one. Okay, let's discuss. Do you know the word instructions? Okay? In a work setting, we give instructions and we have to take instructions as well. Usually the people who give instructions are who? The instructors, yes, like managers. Okay, people who are managers and stuff, they give you instructions and then you take the instructions. Or, remember, Remember employer and employee?
Yes.
Which one do you think gives instructions and which one takes instructions?
Employee is not an employee.
Takes, yes. So the employer gives instructions, the employee takes instructions. So our friend says he's not very good at giving instructions, okay? Instructions are also a very important part of your job, transferable skills. Being able to take instructions. Listen when your manager says, please do the job like this and that, okay?